Hello friends, my name is Vicky and I am from Dehradun. I am a soft skill trainer. I wake up at 5 in the morning. I leave for my work at 8 o'clock and I come back home at 11 o'clock. In my free time, I like to listen to some romantic music and I also like to watch horror and comedy movies. If I talk about my favorite food, I like to eat dosa, sambar, idli, rajma and rice, and biryani. I like to wear jeans, t-shirt, shirt, pants, and tie. In winter, I like to wear blazer and three-piece suit. And I always like to listen English songs. I like to play badminton, but I don't like to play cricket. Thanks for watching me.